Beauties. It's your girl Alma and welcome back to the channel. For those of you guys who don't know, my name is Alma, like I just said, AMA. My name is Alma. I'm 23 years old. I'm in my second semester of my second year of law school. Today's video is going to be a really chill video. Like, I'm not even dressed cute. Like, I don't even want to show you the bottoms because I don't match. But today's video is going to be basically me getting my life together for the new semester. So before we get into this video, I want to say a really big thank you to Dossier for partnering with me on this video. Y'all know I love Dossier. And for the people who don't know, because y'all been living under a rock, Dossier is a company that reproduces luxury fragrances for a fraction of the cost. Just because you like nice things don't mean you have to spend all your money on it, and that's where Dossier comes through. And y'all, Dossier has perfumes, which y'all know, and they also have candles. This right here, what I'm going to show you, I love it because it's like a little combo duo type thing. I got the powdery hawthorn fragrance, as y'all can see. Y'all, like, I just don't want to scream. I'm trying to contain it. Y'all, I'm sorry, hold on, let me calm down because it really smells good. 1 second. This fragrance right here, you guys, like, hold on, let me just spray myself because, oh honey, I'm smiling so hard because I'm about to step outside the house right after I film this video, and you know, I know everyone's gonna be asking me what I got on, and I'm gonna put them on. Dossier powdery hawthorn. So y'all know I got the perfume, but who you know, I'm a little bit pressed because we love a good duo over here. Who you know is matching the fragrance of their house? Exactly. I'm just trying to figure out who doesn't want to match the scent of their house. Help me understand. Imagine going out like with friends or whatever, and like they be like, oh, you smell good, whatever, and they come to your house and they be like, yo, your house smell like you too. Like, that's just the vibe, you feel me? On Dossier's website, get some candles, get some perfumes, get both, okay? Just get both, get the matching like I did, and you know, it's just a vibe. It's just it's literally a vibe. Like, that's all I can say. And yes, you guys, I do have a coupon code for you guys. The coupon code will be on the screen. Definitely use it at checkout to get some money off because we love to save money over here. That being said, thank you so much, Dossier, for partnering me on this video. And let me just show y'all how I'm prepping for this new semester of law school. The first thing I like to do each semester is add my classes to a calendar. And you can use Google Calendar. You can use whatever other calendars are out there. I really try to think, but I use this website called freecollegeschedulemaker.com. I've been using it since my sophomore year of college. That's when I first found out about it. Fall semester is sophomore year, so I'm not new to this, I'm true to this, but I've been using it for a really long time. So how I use this website is I make sure I have the list of my classes handy, and then I go in and put it into the website. So I would put the class name, I would put the class days and the class times, and you can color code it and make it all pretty. I also put like other stuff like work and just like filming time, just other things that I have to do. I usually use it on a Monday through Friday schedule, but you can change it to like Monday through Sunday or Sunday through Monday. Let me know what y'all think. Is Sunday the beginning of the week or the end of the week? I'm not gonna say my opinion because some of y'all like to tussle, so just let me know what y'all think and I'll tell you what I think down below. I like to add my classes to this website because it allows me to visualize and, you know, see what my weeks look like. I use this like at the beginning of every semester, and you know, as time goes on, you kind of know what classes you got and you have an idea of what your schedule looks like. So after I add all my classes to the little calendar, I like to go in and make notebooks for my classes. So I use my iPad for school. I've been using my iPad for school. Honestly, since I got to college, I've been using an iPad. Throughout the years, I'll use my iPad for a little bit more. Like freshman year, I was just using it for textbooks. And then as time progressed, I started using it more and more, like, you know, for like my notes and stuff. So the app I use for school is Notability. My sister uses GoodNotes, and like I low-key like the interface of GoodNotes better, but I'm already dedicated to Notability, so it is what it is. I'm almost out of school, so I can live with Notability for 3 more semesters. So what I do on Notability, and I used to do this on OneNote when I used the OneNote in undergrad. In Notability, I think it's called a divider. So I have a divider. Is this John recording? Y'all, I hope this thing is recording. But anyway, I'm just gonna keep talking because I see a red dot, but I was playing with the settings on my camera, and so now it doesn't tell me that y'all don't care. but it doesn't tell me like the remaining time of how much I gotta stop talking. In Notability, they call it subjects and dividers. So I create a divider and I label it the semester. So I label mine 2L and then parentheses I have the semester, so spring 2022. And that seems to work for me. So under that divider, I put all my different notebooks in there. So all the different classes I'm taking, I will make a little subject for them. And then from there, I would do my notes. So it's like a 3-tier thing. So we have the semester, then the class, then the notes. So that's just how I do my thing. When I used to use OneNote, I would do the same thing. So after I go in and create all the notebooks for all my classes, I then go on my class page. I get what I do? Oh yeah, I go to my class page and I get the syllabus for each class. So I download it, I save it as a PDF because some professors do it as a Word document. So if it's not already a PDF, I save it as a PDF and then I text it to myself and then pull it up on my iPad. Yeah, that's basically what I do. And I like to do that because I often reference my syllabus. So I just like to have it in the notebook, you know. So my 4th and 5th tip, I kind of like switch them out sometimes. So sometimes I'll read the syllabus in its entirety and then go in and put in the due dates. But other times I would do the due dates and then read the syllabus in its entirety. It just depends on how the syllabus is looking. Like, it's different for each class. For the classes that are like writing based, like I typically take my dates out first. I would like highlight them and put those due dates into a calendar, like a separate calendar or a planner, so I'm not getting confused with those dates. The next thing I do, which I don't think a lot of people do, so in Google Docs I have all my classes listed as well as the Zoom links underneath. Every semester when I get new classes, when I get new Zoom links, I like to go into Google Drive, Google Docs, and create a create a new doc, create a new doc, and I would bullet point each class that I have, and underneath I would add the Zoom link. So that's what I do. I know some people bookmark their Zoom links. You can do that as well. I've been doing this since we started doing Zoom school and it's been working for me. So yeah, I just keep all my Zoom links in one Google Doc and I refer to it every single day because I need it. Now it's time to get textbooks. I don't really know many methods to get textbooks for law school besides asking people who may have taken the class already. If I'm buying the book, I use Amazon. I check Amazon. I check the school's website, and I also check the manufacturer's website to see who's going to give me the cheapest price. And then I buy the cheapest one. You can also write to law school textbooks. If you guys know any other ways to get law school textbooks for the low, let your girl know in the comments down below because don't gatekeep. And then after we get our textbooks, unfortunately it's time to get to reading, which is what I need to go do. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, this video is just basically me telling you guys how I get ready for a new semester of law school. This really works for undergrad. It really worked for anything. But because I'm a law student, that's why the title is what it is. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. And yeah, bye.
Anything you could do, I could do better.